Today I share with you how to make Nigerian ChinChin without you making any mistake. Hello sweetie, welcome back. To start, we are going to be kneading all-purpose flour, at the same time needing some streamer and measuring cup. So we are going to be streaming the flour in case you have any dirty. So we are going to be working on 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So this is the second cup. I will just stream it and then get that streamer aside. So this is the flour after streaming, and now I'll be adding some sugar. The same time I will be adding nutmeg, so baking powder. I will add in salt. Then stir the dry ingredient together until it gets combined like this. So now I will be adding butter. So over here is butter. Then I have to check my hand because I've already washed my hand with clean water. So remember to wash your hand. So now I will get that mixed very well until the butter and the flour get dissolved like this. So this is that. So now I will be adding 3 eggs. So I make use of 3 raw eggs. So I just breaking that inside the butter. So I just adding all the egg. Now I'm going to be adding half cup of milk. So this is fresh milk. Then get everything mixed. So now you don't need water. So this egg and this milk is going to allow you to get mixed. Don't be adding any water, guys. Don't add the water. So only this egg and this milk is going to allow you to get it done like this. So now I will be adding a little bit of flour. I keep on mixing that until it's well mixed and ready to use. This is what I have after mixing. I'm going to cover that for 30 minutes with my kitchen towel. So 30 minutes later, this is what it look like. It have dissolved at this point. I will be adding some flour in the surface, then bring that out just like this. So now I'm going to be getting that divided. I'm going to divide the batter into 2 equal sides. So first of all, I will keep this one aside, cover it again with my kitchen towel, keep it aside. So then I'll be working with this first one. So just roll it and make sure that accurate size. So that's why I have to work with your roller. So use this kitchen roller to roll it until it flat like this. See the size I have. So just like this, I'm done. So now I'm going to use this cutter to give that dark cutting size. Just like this, I will just cut it little size. I don't want the chicken to have that big stone, so you just work with tiny stone. You're going to love it more than big stone. So this is just the size of Nigerian ChinChin. Yeah, if you know, you know. So that is just how I'm going to get this done. Look how tiny that look. So now I'm going to divide everything out. Then the same time use my cutter to cut it tiny size like this. Just like this, guys. If you want to eat Nigerian ChinChin exactly the size of Nigerian ChinChin, just work on like this. So this is what I have after doing that. So I just keep on this process, and after that, look at that. Look at that. So this is just it after cutting all of it. See how nice this look. You just look at this size. I just love it. So now I will just add it inside this tray. Before that, I'll be adding some flour. It not even stick together. Just look at that. I keep that aside. So this one is the second one. I'm still going to cut it the same tiny side like that. So after doing that, see another magic I do here, and I love this one so much. I think this one is more easy than the first one. So see what I do now. I use this cutter to keep on cutting. I not cut it one again. I just cut it like this. Trust me, this one just it works so fast. It not even stick together. Everything was still one stick. Just the way I just like it. So I just do it like this, and I finally love this process. It not even take me time. So you can work on any of this. It's going to help you a lot if you want to get that tiny size of Nigerian ChinChin. Just follow like this. Just take a good look at that. So now it's ready. I'm still going to add it inside the tray. Over here is all of it. Look at that. Everything just got so nice. What I do now is to add it inside a streamer. Then if I have any excess flour, so just get that out. Before now, I have oil on the fire. It's heating at this point. Now we are going to be adding the ChinChin. Everything is going in at this point. So I just add all of it. To start turning the ChinChin for the first time, either you use your skewers or use something like this. Don't use anything big spoon. Okay guys, so until it's cooked before you can add in any big spoon, just use anything stick, like any tiny stick. That is what you're supposed to do to turn it for the first time, just like this. You can see how that is pumping. Hi my people, this ChinChin, man, only the taste alone, guys. Oh my gosh, Nobody put this thing for mouth wey no like am. So this is just it. Now it's already there to done, and I use that big spoon. And after frying, guys, hey, I make sure that I fry the chinchin for it to dry very, very well, because when it's dry, go dey put am for mouth, go dey make boom, boom, boom. Hey, if I don speak Oyibo. So this is just it. I love it, and it come out so amazing. Help me to share. This is just the best way to get your chinchin done. I love you. In my next one, bye bye.